In a major warning just days before COP30, the International Energy Agency (IEA) has said that global oil and gas demand will continue rising until 2050, directly contradicting earlier forecasts of a decline and raising urgent alarm about the world's failure to curb emissions. This updated long-term outlook, released on Friday, marks a significant shift in the IEA's expectations and signals that current climate policies are nowhere near sufficient to meet global warming limits. The agency's latest projections show oil demand climbing beyond 106 million barrels by 2050, compared to 102 million in 2023, largely driven by booming transport needs in developing nations, petrochemical expansion, and slow adoption of clean energy alternatives. Gas demand, too, will continue rising steadily, with consumption stronger in Asia and the Middle East despite policy pushes toward renewables in Europe and North America. Energy experts say the new data exposes a widening gap between climate pledges and real-world action. Despite years of commitments to shift toward cleaner fuels, fossil fuels remain deeply entrenched in global systems, from electricity and heavy industries to transportation and household energy. The IEA emphasized that without radical acceleration in renewable deployment, energy storage, efficiency upgrades, and international climate financing, the world will be locked into a pathway incompatible with the Paris climate targets. This finding is expected to increase pressure on world leaders attending COP30, where debates on phasing out fossil fuels are already intensifying. Environmental groups reacted sharply, stating that governments must stop approving new oil and gas projects immediately. Meanwhile, major energy companies argue that global demand continues to justify production, especially in countries with rapidly growing populations and rising incomes. The report has set the stage for a contentious climate summit, where the world must confront the widening divide between ambitious promises and the stubborn reality of rising fossil fuel dependence.